Your vacuum pump is an investment in your business, and you want to keep it not only looking good, but running good too. Let me show you how to install and use the Fruitland flush kit on your vacuum pump. First, locate and remove the 1/4-inch NPT plug. For most models, it's right here on the intake flange. Other models, check the diverter valve housing. Next, install the flush kit. It comes with everything you need, including brass fittings, rubber hose, ball valve, and fluid reservoir bottle. Cut a length of hose to run from the NPT fitting on the intake flange to the bottom of the ball valve, and from the top of the ball valve to the reservoir bottom. The hose length will depend on where your reservoir is mounted. Next, mix up your flushing solution. That's 3/4 diesel fuel and 1/4 pump oil by volume. About 2 to 3 liters should do the trick, but we used a gallon just to make it easy. Start the pump, switch it to vacuum, and slowly open the ball valve. We had a problem at first with the fluid not going into the pump initially. I opened and closed the pump valve a few times to break the airlock, and the fluid levels started to drop. Let the fluid run through the pump, cleaning out any residue, buildup, or contaminants. Once almost all the fluid has passed through, close the ball valve and let the pump run for another minute to clear your flushing solution out. At this point, you can go ahead and turn off the pump. Don't forget to drain your oil catch muffler or oil separator afterward. If you're removing the flush kit, go ahead and reinstall the 1/4-inch plug on the intake flange. For regular maintenance, Fruitland recommends flushing your pump every 2 months, or more often if you're working in dirty conditions. It's quick, it's easy, and it protects your investment.